Are you trying to access cnc.js from a second computer on your network? Here's how you do it. You edit the etc host file on your Linux machine or your Raspberry Pi. And you get your local host IP of your machine running cnc.js, and you give it a host name. Then you do this command. The xcarv is my host name referenced in my etc host file. And there you can see it gets the IP. And if we go over here, we can see that it is running. Here it is. I didn't find any documentation on this on the internet, but this is how you access a cnc.js machine from a second computer on your network.